So what is the plant, the most consistent plant that I should be taking in if I have been diagnosed with cancer? Well, there's several plants that you can take in, okay? But probably the number one on my list is bitter melon or ampalaya. And people have been asking me how to eat this or how to take it. There's really no fast rule on how you can take all of this bitter melon. Ang pinakamaganda is as many as you can. Pwede mo siyang itsaa, pwede mong kainin. Me personally, I would just eat all of them. Okay? And eat them morning, afternoon, and night. O kung desperada ka, kainin mo all the time. So that is the number one plant that I can share to you that really changed a lot of people's lives.